Hello and welcome to the Complete Markdown Crash Course 2022. I am Tushar Khatri and I'll be your instructor throughout this course. This is a minor course explaining the syntax of Markdown. It is one of the most easy to use markup language extensively used by version control platforms like GitHub. With text-like syntax, it is in our best interest to learn how Markdown works. So, why is it important to you? Why should you choose this course? The answer is simple. Sometimes you might have found yourself searching for the Markdown syntax on Google or any other search engine. And doing this consumes a lot of time. Whereas you must be utilizing this time for more important things. Now this course will introduce you to Markdown syntax once and for all. After going through this course thoroughly, you will feel confident documenting stuff and will save a lot of time eventually. I look forward to having you on the course.